Welcome back. Today we're going to cook something classic, chicken karahi. This is very simple to make and can take as little as 30 minutes. So here we go. Here's what you'll need. 1 medium-sized chicken cut into pieces, plain yogurt, green chilies finely chopped, crushed garlic and grated ginger, 1 small onion finely chopped, chopped tomatoes and half a cup of oil. These are the spices you'll need: coarse black pepper, red chili powder, salt, paprika, ground coriander, ground cumin, and for an added kick, chaat masala. Now, at the end, you'll also need to add in some garam masala. And for the garnishing, we just need a handful of coriander leaves and julienne ginger. On a high heat, fry the onions in the oil till they're a light golden colour. Then add the ginger and garlic and fry for a few minutes. Then you add the green chilies and fry for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add the chicken and continue frying. After about 5 minutes, add the ground spices except for the garam masala and continue frying for about 5 minutes. Add the chopped tomatoes and cook for about 10 minutes. Then you need to add the yogurt and put the lid on and cook on a low heat for 10 minutes. Check that the chicken is cooked. If it is, then mix in the garam masala. Now it's ready to serve. Garnish with julienne ginger and fresh coriander leaves. You can serve this with chapatis or naan. If you'd like to know how to make naan bread, then please do check out my homemade naan video, which is very easy to follow. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.